I have a Dell 3 a D3100. This is for having multiple displays. As you can see, you have a power cable. This one goes to your USB to computer, display port, two HDMI's. You have your Ethernet cable goes here, two USBs, your sound, and then the front you have three USBs, and this displays 4K, and you got your headphones. Pretty small, compact device, works great, and they're about, I will say you get them for $50. This would, if you get a used one, a new one will probably cost you like $150. But this is good to have if you want to add 3 monitors to your computer. And this is how it looks with 2 monitors. This is how it looks with 2 monitors. This is how it looks with 2 monitors. Back to back. Any questions, go ahead, send me a message, and don't forget to just subscribe. Thank you.